Yeah, 26th of October, I think. It's Thursday, I know that. Finally come up from a little building. It's been raining all day long. And my rain gauge bucket has got better than 1.5 inches, probably close to 2 inches of water in it. So we got a lot of rain. And my lot is doing pretty good. I need to remove some dirt next to the fence right there in that area to help this drain downhill. My gutters did exactly what I planned for them to do. Kept the preponderance of the rain out of what's coming off the roof, out of the lot. So they worked perfect, draining onto the sidewalk 2 points south. So that's good. I got a drain here in this trough I need to clear. I forgot to do that the other day, but I'll take care of it. So for almost 2 inches of rain, the lot's not in terrible shape. And the garden did not turn into a pond. So my subterranean drains are doing the job there too. Got a lot of green sprouts coming in. That's some type of seed that came with the composted cow manure. So I got to work on that. No big deal. And this is just settling of the soil and compost. No big deal. I got no evidence of soil blowout on my retaining wall and no movement on my retaining wall. And since I did not turn into a pond up here, this is the most weight this thing's ever going to have on it. So my wall's a success. Big thing was the gutters and redirecting the roof drainage away from the garden area. You can see all my little radishes just popping up left and right, and I got a bonus cabbage right there. That seedling looked terrible, so I just moved over and planted another one. But that seedling is coming in pretty good. Not bad. I think my garden's gonna be a success. I'm getting permanent leaves on all the seedlings now, so they're all looking exceptionally well. Even my puny one there is looking good. The other puny one there in the distance, it's not looking puny at all. So pretty good deal. Wife and I fixing to go to Walmart. I'll pick up some 7 dust while I'm there and go ahead and sprinkle everything just in case I get a cutworm coming up in here. But anyway, just a rainy, dreary day. That's all for this one. Thank you.